Hey guys, Bird here. Welcome to my first double dip. Let's take this wreath and jazz it up. First, I took 3 pieces of twine, each 63 inches long, and braided them together as one piece, like so. I took that, wrapped my grapevine, made it secure, made a loop for hanging later, and secured it with hot glue. To add some character, I used some old jewelry findings, these little adorable rainbow flowers that I've had for years. I glued those on with hot glue. As the centerpieces, I just took some E6000 and used seed beads. Here's my finished wreath. I added a few more flowers overall. I absolutely think it's so cute. And thank you, Evie. It's now in the perfect spot.